this video will probably be a combination of 2-3 vlogs together. Also, I'm really excited to tell you all this, that I will be making clothes for boys as well. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a really interesting and exciting video for me and for y'all also, I guess. It's been quite some time that I've vlogged. Not really actually, because there was a time when I was only uploading vlogs on my channel. But yeah, vlogs are really fun to make. So that's my excuse for making another one. This video is going to have a lot of things in it. A small announcement which I'm really excited about. I would be telling you all the names of the people who won the giveaway and glimpses of what's coming up next on my Instagram, which I'm really excited about and really pumped about. So yeah, this video is gonna have a lot of things in it. Also, there are a few people I would want to mention in the video, more like a shout out, because many of my friends have started small businesses and some have started making content, and I feel they deserve a lot of recognition. So that's something I want to do for them, a small way of appreciating what they are doing. So today is not really planned. This video will probably be a combination of 2-3 vlogs together. I was filming a reel for my Instagram, and this is how far I've gone with that. So once this video is up, I guess before that the reel will already be uploaded on my Instagram, so I'll leave a link in the description if y'all want to go and check it out. It's a dot mandala reel. I don't know how it looks as of now because I haven't completed it yet, but yeah. Also something exciting coming up, spoiler alert. I'm so pumped about this announcement which I'm gonna make in the video. There's a lot gonna happen. I do not have anything planned as of now, so like let's go with the day and let's go on with the video.
Day 2.
Day 2, same shirt. So yesterday I didn't do a lot, that's why I didn't really film. All I did was paint this. The reel is on Instagram. I will leave the link in the description so you can go and check it out. Let's talk about the elephant in the room. I got my eyebrows done finally. I am so happy. Yeah, that's it. Today I am going to meet two of my friends, Farhan and Gresham. There's this small shoot they wanted to do. They are BMM students, so they wanted to click a few pictures of me. So yeah, there's that. So I'll take y'all along. I'll show y'all how it goes. So now I'm gonna go take shower and then get ready and go to their place. So I've just reached Gresham's place, at whose place we're gonna shoot. So I just parked my scooty, and after a very long time I've taken my scooty out. Gresham, what are we doing today?
We are shooting your new pictures for your feed. Hey, copyright audio.
For my feet. Okay.
We are gonna make you Insta famous. Insta famous.
Okay.
Brand new Hashtag.
Hi, Farhan.
Hello.
So formally,
Hello.
you say hello. So I'm back from the shoot. It was amazing. It went crazy. I will show small glimpses of the BTS Gresham took. It was amazing, amazing. It was my first shoot ever. Like you know, like a proper setup and everything. So yeah, I didn't know what to expect, and I enjoyed it a lot. And stay tuned for the pictures. Follow me on my Instagram. The link will be in the, I don't know how many times I've said that in my videos, but yeah, the link will be in the description. Go follow me over there and stay tuned for the BTS videos, the reels and pictures from the shoot.
Day 3.
Hey, so I took down the Christmas tree. All the work is done. Now, before giving out the names of the giveaway, I want to talk to you all about a small business my friend has recently started. As you all know, lockdown had been difficult for everyone, and many people got the good out of it and started a small business or something related to that. Many of my friends have started it, and I do my best to support them in any possible way. So, Patra's Kitchen is one of those, and they are like a cloud kitchen, and they make amazing food which is really yummy and professionally made. I've ordered food from them for almost 3 to 4 times, and all the times the food was really well made and freshly made. Their specialty is butter chicken, but all their dishes are really amazing, so you all should check it out. And they have a special offer going on till January 15th, so make sure you all go and check their page out for details. I will flash the coupon code on the screen so that you all can go and avail the offer, and I will link their Instagram in the description so you all can go and check them out. So as I had said in my previous video that I will be giving away those 2 masks. If you don't know about what is the giveaway about, here's a small clip.
I thought I'd do a small giveaway because I have 2 of them left. So I'll be giving away these 2 masks.
So yeah, the giveaway is about that. So I decided to give both the masks to one person. So I made a spinning wheel kind of thing on my phone. So I'll just spin it in front of you all so that you all can see. I've added everyone's name in the spinning wheel. The people who promoted my video before I announced the giveaway and the people who did it after I spoke about it. Both of them are included in the spinning wheel. So I made the spinning wheel. I've entered everyone's name, be it a boy or a girl, and I'll just spin it in front of you all, and whoever name comes out of it will be the winner of the giveaway. Congratulations, Primita. So Primita is the winner of the giveaway. I will make sure that I give her away both the masks as soon as possible, and once I do it, I will update you all on Instagram, maybe, I don't know, let's see. But thank you so much, Primita, for all this love and support you have showed so far on my channel. I really love you a lot, and please suggest my channel to all your friends so that they can be a part of my small YouTube family. Thank you so much. Before the exciting announcement, I want to give a small shout out to a few of my friends. If you enjoy amazing vlogs, not my vlogs, but like really good informative vlogs, then you all should go and check out my best friend's YouTube channel. He makes amazing vlogs and amazing story time videos. I will link his YouTube in the description. Go and subscribe to his channel. Give him all the love he deserves because he makes really good content. He makes videos about the places that are safe to be traveled during the pandemic, of course with precautionary measures, and those videos are really fun to watch as well, so you all should go and check them out. If you all really like like watching gameplays of different video games such as PUBG, COD, blah blah blah, then please go and subscribe to my younger brother's channel. The link will be in the description. He's just 15 and he's trying to do something on YouTube, so please show your support to him. It will be amazing. He'll feel really nice. If you're more into the kitchen department, the baking, cooking kind of a thing, then you all should subscribe to Stacey D'Souza's channel because she makes it really good cooking content. The best segment I like of hers is Stacey Tries, where she plays cooking games and she tries to make the dish which is in the game in real life, and it's really fun to watch those videos. So you all should go and check her out as well and subscribe to her channel. If you all are more into fitness related challenges and stuff, then go and subscribe to Cian's account. C-Spam Now is his name, I guess, and the link will be in the description. He takes up weekly challenges about fitness related stuff, diet, etc, etc. It's really fun to watch. He'll be coming up with new content really soon, so make sure you all subscribe to his channel as well. Okay, now for the big announcement. I've been really excited to tell you all this. I've been really patient to keep it to myself and not tell it to the world because I was waiting to tell you all about this because I've been considering this for more than a month now. So when I had put out my second episode of Let's Upcycle, many people, many of my friends had texted me if I was okay with selling off what I had made so that they can buy it from me. And to be honest, I'm a person who's really attached to the clothes I wear, so I don't really like giving it away to anyone permanently unless they want to wear it once or twice. But when my second episode of Sheenify came out, many of them asked me again if I was okay with selling off the top I had made. So that made me think a lot about it, and this is what I thought of it. M Square Store is the Instagram page I started. I haven't promoted it yet, so I will start doing that really soon. So I will be selling off the items I'll be making on that Instagram page. I won't be selling off the products I have made for YouTube videos. I'll be making clothes from scratch. I will be buying fabric and making it from scratch. So yeah, it's gonna be really fun. I haven't released any drop yet, but I will be doing it soon once I reach 50 to 100 followers, I guess, on that page. I will release my first drop and then you all can start ordering, and I will make it custom fit according to your fit, obviously according to all your measurements and stuff. Also, I'm really excited to tell you all this, that I will be making clothes for boys as well on that store, and I will be selling them off as well. I am really excited for it. I will link the Instagram handle in the description. Please go and follow me over there. Even if you're not into buying stuff from me, you can still suggest it to a friend who would be interested. I would be really happy if you'll support me. That's it for this video, guys. I'd never tried this kind of a vlog before and I wanted to try it once. I don't know if I would do it ever again, but it was fun doing it. Normally I vlog in a stretch in a day, but this was different. I took 3 days to film this because there was nothing really interesting in one single day. So yeah, this was really interesting. It was fun. I don't know if I'll be doing it, but it was really nice. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you guys for all the love and support I have received on Instagram and on YouTube. It has been really overwhelming. Thank you so much. If you haven't watched my recent reels, then go head on to my Instagram and watch it. You might like it, I guess. Do like, comment and share this video. Subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out the next time I post. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you all in the next video. Bye.